Today we are going to discuss class 3 English grammar and our unit is interjection today. You have heard the name interjection and it is the last of parts of speech. Okay, to begin with I can say, think of a situation. Your father has brought a big bar of ice cream for you. What will you feel then? You will be overwhelmed with joy. তোমার ভীষণ আনন্দ হবে হঠাৎ করে বাবা যদি এত বড় একটা বারের আইসক্রিম নিয়ে আসে, তোমার কি হবে? খুব আনন্দ হবে। How will you express that situation? Express that feeling. You can tell it through a sentence like I've written on the board. My father brought an ice cream for me. But is it expressing the mental feeling you had that time? It is not. So to express the particular mental feeling you had that time, I am adding the word wow. Wow is the word that is expressing your sudden mental feeling at that time. So, it is a mental feeling expressing what? The another name of mental feeling expressing word is interjection. To define, we can say a word that expresses a sudden mental feeling of the speaker is called an interjection. So I repeat, a word that expresses a sudden mental feeling of the speaker is called an interjection. That is আবেগ সূচক অব্যয় you have read in Bengali. Okay, here are some examples like, hurrah, you won the match. Suppose you have won a match, so you will feel full of joy. তোমার ভীষণ আনন্দ হবে। কেমন ভাবে তুমি বলবে? হুররে, আমরা ম্যাচটা জিতে গেছি। তুমি কি দুঃখ করে বলবে? খুব আনন্দটা যে ওয়ার্ডে প্রকাশ হচ্ছে, যেমন আমি লিখেছি হুররে, we have won the match. So hurray is the interjection. In the next word, bravo, you have scored well in maths. Suppose you have done a very good result. Seeing the good marks, your father is overwhelmed with joy and your father is using the word bravo to express his joy. Look, hooray, when you are expressing your joy yourself, then we are using hooray. But bravo is the word we are using for some another person. We cannot use it for ourselves. Okay, come to sentence number C. Alas, the old teacher is dead. The situations always don't want you to be overwhelmed with joy. Sometimes it brings us sorrow. So here is the sentence like that. Somebody is dead. So how can we express our sorrow? Through the word alas. Alas, the old teacher is dead. Suppose your friend is shouting beside you. What will be your expression? Ha! Why are you shouting? Here is sentence number D. Suppose your friend is shouting beside you and disturbing in your studies. So what do you feel? You will be disgusted. And how will you express your feeling? Why are you shouting? তুমি কেন চিৎকার করছো? As I have written on the board, why are you shouting? Now you are overwhelmed to see some beautiful things. Like I have written, the Taj Mahal is beautiful. How will you express your feeling? Oh, the Taj Mahal is beautiful, and wow, the Taj Mahal is beautiful. Both the words can be used to express your feeling. So think that somebody is cheating on you, somebody is lying to you. What will be your expression? You want to make the person feel shameful. So 5 is the word to express your feeling. 5, you are a liar, cheat, tumi mithyavadi. So these are the interjection, and from the above discussions we are getting the point that we use a mark of exclamation or exclamatory mark after the word. So when we put interjection, we always use a mark of exclamation or exclamatory mark after the word and then a full stop after the whole sentence. So when there is interjection in a sentence, we are actually using 2 punctuations. One is mark of exclamation and another is full stop. This is the easiest parts of speech to indicate, to identify. Either it comes at the beginning of the sentence and it comes with the exclamatory mark, or it can also come at the end of the sentence with the exclamatory mark. So where we see the exclamatory mark, we can find out easily that there is an interjection in the sentence. So in number 6, I have given a feeling and don't talk in the class. Put an interjection and why is it called so? Don't talk in the class. The teacher says you often. So what is her mental feeling? How will she express the mental feeling? Oh, why are you talking in the class? Don't talk in the class. So I am putting O and R. We can both put O and R. So it is an interjection as it expresses sudden mental feeling of the speaker. So O or R is an interjection as it expresses sudden mental feeling of the speaker. That's much for today. You will get to know more from the PDF coming soon. Thank you. Stay home. Stay safe.